Here we are with the start of the show. 70 Superbird 426 Hemi with a 5-speed manual. I've seen this car before. I mean, look at the bloody wing. It's crazy. 70s were really some crazy times, huh? Yep. You know what car this is? 70 Cuda. Look at that. And honestly, one of my favorite cars of all time, the 1967 Camaro. This one belongs to a person that I know, Matt. Cool dude with a very cool car. And yes, before you ask, we do have a lot more cars here. Like I don't think I have time to cover all of them. I'll try to concentrate on the muscle cars, but look at this stunning Camaro. '69 RS Hartel.
High top spec penny.
Lots of wind. It's a very windy day. We have some pretty cool cars here too. 2 Mopars and a Pontiac. This one is 1968, I think, Satellite. Yeah, 68. GTO, Pontiac. And that very special car, Sick Fish, 70 Cuda. Built by DTM New Zealand. Very cool. Another Cuda there. I mean, Cuda's like it's raining. This is a 340. 73, 74. Cougar. A Buick LeSabre. Duster. And yeah, a few more down here too. I'll just let you guys enjoy the view. Very nice Bel Air. And it's very cool, very rare 1959 El Camino. For sale. I mean, literally, this is so good, man. How many times you can say you've seen a bright yellow 59 El Camino. Chevy 67. Camaros again. Another Chevy 67. Very cool wheels. SS Camaro. I mean, I could go on like that for hours. Oh look, another 69 Camaro and another 67 Chevelle. This is probably the year of the 67 Chevelle. So many of them. Galaxy 67, I think. Another Bel Air, and obviously another 69 Camaro RS with an LSX 454 swap. There are obviously more Chevys. This looks like the Chevy corner. Got a few Impalas here, and obviously more Camaros. This is a car that I know very well. Both of them. The black one was at the track. I saw the drag. It's a 10-second car. Very cool car. More Bel Airs. And let's go down there now to the blue Chevy 572 SS 4-speed manual 1970 Chevy. Not the car I've seen around before. This one was at Americana back in February with that massive motor right there. The 3 numbers of joy, 572. Wow, amazing. Look at the front end. I mean, what other car looks like that? Oh, maybe a 70 Charger. We got both here. Not really a big fan of the wheels, but there should be a 69 Shelby, I guess. 69, right? 428 Cobra Jet. Yes, it's a 69. Look at that, with the 3 air catches on the hood. Another really cool car. So which one would you pick, guys? The Shelby, the Dodge, or the Chevy? Very hard choice. Alright, so this is the hot rod part of the show. These cars are just unbelievably cool. Look at the detail. Just look at the details. Like, paint jobs are amazing. But there is one special car I wanted to show you. That's a that twin turbo Challenger. Oh man, this is pretty crazy, right? All right. 1970. Now I'm pretty sure this would divide people a bit. Would you do this to a 70 Challenger? Seems done pretty well. What do you think? And then here we have this is pretty cool. Here we have Evil 69. This is a burnout car, which explains the tailpipes. Burnout car with the popcorn holders, like I call them. Look at this 69 fastback, brand new paint job. Look at that orange. Very cool. Let me show you the engine. Oh, is it fuel injector? Yeah. Very cool. And this badass Chevy truck, step side. look what we have in here. Yeah. That looks pretty decent, isn't it? Very decent indeed. Very cool. Let's go have a look at that 71 Chevelle. That's a lot of gauges. Alright, so we got a few special cars here, guys. A few more, just to add to the total of special cars today. Very nice 70 Camaro. Then we have a 68 Chevelle SS. I've been dying to see this car again. I saw it once and it's really cool. The color is really catchy. Flake painted a gray stripes. I really like the back, the rear end of the 68 Chevelle. It's quite nice, but I guess nothing matches a 70 Charger RT 440, isn't it? The interiors in these cars are just unbelievably cool. Bucket seats. And if you didn't have enough, there is another one here too. Another 70 RT with a side exhaust. Banana yellow. And again, if you didn't have enough, there is another one here. A 69. Possibly not RT, probably just a 500, but bucket seats too. And yeah, another banana yellow. Then we have a Cuda. I mean, another Cuda out of all the ones we saw today. Bit of paint fading, patina. Boot rack for safe travels. And a few more cars here, obviously, with this nice 67 Camaro SS. 4-speed manual. Oh yes. And we also have this really cool 66 Chevelle, another 4-speed manual.